Watermelon whispers, a juicy verse. In the heart of summer's embrace, there exists a treasure, cool and sweet. Its skin, a vibrant green, a protective shell for the magic within. Beneath the surface, a universe of crimson, dotted with black seeds, stars in its firmament. Each bite, a burst of freshness, quenching the deepest thirst. This fruit, the watermelon, carries the essence of sunshine, rain, and the earth's loving care. A gift from nature, a symbol of abundance and shared moments. Families gather, laughter mingling with the sound of juice dripping down chins. Children compete, spitting seeds further, as elders watch with a smile. Picnics are incomplete without its presence, slices laid out like fans, beckoning all to partake in its generous offer of relief from the heat. Artists and poets alike muse over its beauty, its perfection in taste and form. How effortlessly it becomes the muse, a subject of adoration. In every seed, a story of life, growth, and renewal. A reminder that from the smallest beginnings, great things can emerge, nurtured by patience and care. As the sun sets, painting the sky in hues of melon and pink, the feast ends, but the memory of its sweetness lingers, a promise of future joys. Let us then celebrate the humble watermelon, not just a fruit, but a bearer of moments, a creator of memories, a timeless summer symphony.